Hey y'all, this is Spanky. I don't do videos like this, so bear with me. I've done videos with my sister. We make videos for our mom and singing and karaoke and just goofing off and things like that. Goofy videos. But so this is kind of new. Excuse me, I got a cold. But anyways, I was making some embellishments last night for a pocket letter and I had an accident and ended up turning out better than an accident, I guess you could say. But I was doing corner punches around what I made and it ended up, I grabbed the wrong punch. Instead of my corner punch, I grabbed this little doodad right there. My circle punch. Yeah, I'll show you what happened. That happened. It's like a ticket, I guess you could call it. So I was going to show you and share with you how I did it. And basically, you cut your piece of paper with your trimmer, scissors, whatever size you want. And you stick the corner in. You can measure it if you want. That's up to you. And then you just stick your corners in there. Repeat it all around each of the four sides. Excuse me. And then you have your ticket. Very random that I did it. I was kind of like irked because I thought I screwed up what I was working on, but actually it kind of turned out really good. So I just wanted to share. And here's with my little punch, little circle one, same thing. Just get that in. I can't see. I don't know how you guys can record videos like this. So not my thing. And punch. Wear glasses. These things can be deadly. Holy moly. Almost got that up by the eyeball. So there, and then just punched it out and Hobby Lobby. Ha. Scrap. So yeah, that's what happened, and I was actually kind of like wowed about it. So I just wanted to share and hope you guys find it useful for those of you that don't have a ticket punch or want to buy the tickets because they can be pricey. Here's another option. So happy crafting. Bye.